2024 was a really disastrous year. We all know, and I've said it, that kwamba health was a disaster. The way we managed our education sector, another disaster. The way we have continued to manage our security sector, another disaster. Our economy also was managed in a very disastrous manner. Unfortunately, again, we had the year 2024 with abductions. And as the statement led by our leader has indicated, young people have become the juicy part of it all for William Samoei Ruto. As we close the year, he has closed the year with Stephen Bisi, Billy Mwangi, Peter Muteti, Bernard Kafuli, Kibet Bull, and Kiplangat from Kiabu. All those, among others, who were picked last night are Kenyans, young, who are going to spend, I hope not, who are going to see the new year with their abductees or abductors. We have to agree as a people that we must call everybody responsible to account. We must hold them accountable, led by William Ruto. And all the other independent constitution commissions that were put or provided for in our constitution for purposes of ensuring that an executive never gets this excessive. They have perhaps also been abducted, and for that reason, Kenyans, while we will be studying with them, are alone when it comes to matters of constitutional protection. I want to agree entirely with what my leader has said, that 2025 must be a different year. We must all agree to come together. Those who are people who have been led by their conscience, not just in the recent past, but those who have believed in constitutionalism almost for the entire part of their life, like Zain Abubakar here. He's a man I can go behind at any time because in his history I've never had him abandon what the Constitution provides for. If you become a new convertee, we will come, but we will not be behind you, you should be behind us. And it is important, again, that we agree to hold these guys in power accountable for what they have done in the past and expect them to do better for the time they remain in office before we carry out any elections. Mimi sina mingine ya kusema, ni mwaka ambayo imekuwa ya huzuni. Hii si mwaka ya furaha, hii imekuwa mwaka ya huzuni. Hata ukijaribu kutabasamu, inakuwa ni gumu sana. Yes. So, any question? Yes, kijana. I can say that we support fully any demonstration or protest that are being carried out anywhere in this country calling for the release of those young people who've been abducted. Yeah. And again, I also want to say that it is not an opportunity for any of us to use that opportunity to build our political careers. No. The young people of this country, those Gen Z, are stakeholders in anything we undertake as Kenyans, including siasa ya Kenya hii and the call for good governance. We must start with them, and they have a right to do it. Kama Ruto hajaelewa, hii simu hii unaona, hata akitaka mimi nimchore saa hii, nitamchora na nimuonyeshe. Hii ni mambo imekuja, mambo mageni ambayo sisi, yeye pia alikuwa anajaribu kunichora na sufuria. Sasa ni rahisi akitaka kunichora atanichora zaidi. But it's nothing to abduct anybody for. Just do what is expected of you and leave everybody to struggle with the economy that they have ruined so far.
Well done. Any other question? Yes, sir.
Please, yeye alisema. Si ni Ruto alisema hiyo? Basi uliza yeye. Akisema mnauliza yeye, you can't come and put me on the spot for things he has said. He's lied for the last 2 years. Why would you expect him not to lie towards the end of 2024? Swali lingine?
Oh my goodness.
Wewe ulikuwa unataka tufanye nini? Tufuge hawa nakaba kwa nyumba? Mtu akitaka kwenda safari aende. Tena kaboko si mtu yake. Hata wewe ukienda kutaka kwenda, enda. Utaona mtu mwingine na hiyo kamera kesho. Sorry? Jubilee, we are in opposition and we are where our party leader told William Ruto, stop abductions, improve the economy, cater for kids in education. We want a better health in this country. We want to see stored project being finished. Hapo ndipo tupo.
Well
Na
done.
tutapiga deep next year.
Tashukuru sana.
Yes.
Well done. Beautiful.
Asante sana.
Happy New Year. Amechora. Ruto alichora.